Let me present my screen. Okay, so I hope you are in a dark screen. So if you have MS Project installed, you can right click and go to new and create a Microsoft project document. So let's call this construction. It is of the file type .mpp. And also, if you have MS Project, you can follow along, or you can even decide to maybe do a recording so that you can follow it later. So once you open MS Project, this is the window that you are greeted with. So the window on the right where you can see my cursor hovering, this is where we will populate our data. So this is like, now this is the dependency table in MS Project. On the left, sorry, on the right, this is where we have now the different graphics. In this case, we will be in this case, if you can see at the far left, the written Gantt chart, we will be displaying a Gantt chart here. But you can change whatever is being displayed here at the bottom right, where you can see we are in the Gantt chart view. You can go to task usage view. You can go to planner view, resource sheet. But for our case, the one we are interested in is the Gantt chart. So I am hoping you now have the PowerPoint in the group. You can just open slide 3 where we are talking about the dependency table, and then we can fill the tasks here. So like we have site preparation, we have foundation, excavation, we have the pouring of the foundation, uh, ground floor, structure, we have plumbing and electrical roughings. We have the upper floors construction. We have roofing. So these are the activities that we have gotten from the work breakdown structure. So window and doors, installation, interior finishing, final installation, exterior finishing, and finally we have the inspection. So now that we have all the tasks highlighted, here we can now put the duration, and that is also provided with from the dependency table. So by default, MS Project gives this duration in days, so I will just input the number. So we have 7, 10, 7, 14, 10, 21, 7, 5, 15, 5, 10. Sorry, this is 10. 10. And finally, inspection is expected to be done in 3 days. So we have the tasks, we have input the duration. Now we need to input the dependencies. I mean, which activity is followed by which. So when you just push the column this way, you can see the predecessor tab. So here, you input the predecessor for each activity. So the first activity does not have a predecessor. And I am hoping you can see that as we populate the dependency table, our Gantt chart is also being developed, and the timelines will become clearer as we input the predecessor for each activity. So foundation excavation is followed by site prep. So you just input that and it populates the start. So it takes the start as today, and then when we will finish, and then as you can see now the Gantt chart is starting to make a lot more sense. This activity is followed by this. So pouring foundation is followed by the excavation. So let's just now input this very fast. This is then followed by pouring foundation. Then here plumbing is ground floor, and the upper floors also follow ground floor. So if I am to use like a parent-child relationship, ground floor is the parent to plumbing and upper floor. Next we have roofing, which follows the construction of the upper floor. Then we have windows and doors installation, which follows roofing. Interior finishing has two parents. It has the plumbing and interior finishing. No, sorry, and windows and doors installation. But we have then the final installations, which follows interior finishing, and then exterior finishing follows roofing. You need to be very careful there. And inspection is after final installation is done and exterior finishing is done. Yes. So as you can see, the Gantt chart is being developed. If you want to view the whole Gantt chart, you can see in the tab at the top where we have timeline. Just extend so that you have the entire timeline in view. So you can see the Gantt chart as it is being developed. So if you want to find out the critical path, you can just come here to add a new column, and then we add a critical path. Yes. So this tells us every item, every task that is on the critical path. So site prep is on the critical path, but you see plumbing is not on the critical path. And if we want to view the network diagram, we can just go here at the top left. Here at the view, we add a network diagram, and this gives us the network diagram for the whole for the whole project, and the values in pink, the boxes in pink show the critical path, and those in blue are those that are not on the critical path. So yeah, so that is what I prepared. I hope it was useful to see how this tool is used, and yes, and thank you.